Your shoulders ache and your back feels tight, and stretching alone isn't fixing it. That's because your shoulder joint rarely gets to hang freely under its own weight. One overlooked move decompresses your spine and resets your shoulders in under a minute a day. Step 1. Find a sturdy pull-up bar or beam that lets your feet clear the floor. Grip it shoulder-width apart, palms facing away, thumbs wrapped around the bar. Let your arms fully straighten so your elbows lock out. Step 2. Before relaxing, pull your shoulder blades down and back, away from your ears. This active hang teaches the joint to stay stable under load. Hold the braced position for 5 seconds before letting go completely. Step 3. Now release the brace and let your body go fully passive. Relax your neck, let your rib cage stretch, and breathe slow and deep into your belly. This passive hang is what actually decompresses the spine and lengthens the lats. Step 4. If you can't support full body weight yet, keep your toes lightly on the floor or loop a resistance band under your feet. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds, resting a minute between. Add 5 seconds a week as your grip and shoulders adapt. Pro tip: don't grip so hard your forearms cramp before your shoulders even loosen up. A lighter grip with straight wrists protects your elbows and lets the hang actually work. What's your hang time? Comment below.